kami yan. Pagkas namin pag-upit. Takil, dumiretso kami mang inasal.
She's a long way from suburban town. Key to the city for the love, got a burden now. Oh my, she's a long way from suburban town. Long way, really long way from suburban.
10 a.m., 10 p.m., ganun. Alas 10. Bubo. Tangina, bubo po, tangina. Labag ganyan sa kuweba.
We'll finish off what was left undone.
Gago si, si Stefano ata yung kalaban. Shakespeare na naman. Palagan.
Time to drop the beat of the flag.
Bakit hindi ka papatay? Speak in English, please. Okay. And then, we go at Mang Inasal. The waitress throw us some tantrums. Takay na. Parang nagdadabog siya, nagdadabog. Nagdadabog, gago. Galit na galit. Ang sama makatingin. Inasabi namin, Eka. Third day boat. Pasikat ka, pasikat. Wala ba kayong usap? Talaga makakulat sa pansin eh. Di man kayo kausap, nahikisabat kayo eh. Taka nagdadabog. Ayaw ata kami bigyan ng only rice eh. Puta, nakapitong kaning kami, gaga. Ogo, paldo.
Welcome to Mobile Legends.
Seriously mood muna, tatahimik muna ako.
Smash them. All troops deployed.
Let us ride into the stars.
Good.
My name is
Serious.
etched into the stars.
Ini muna. Para kang may sakit eh, no? Ano ba Eka, sakit mo?
Mighty champions across the realms, answer my call.
Okay, MJS. Oo nga eh. Taka na kayo nga pang ano eh. Gabi ng lagi. Taka na kalaban niyo si Ed Kaluto. Gago.
Initiate retreat.
Ngayon dito agad yung pani. Bilis ah. Taka na unang rotate akin agad.
I faced annihilation head-on and emerged with new purpose. All whose light burns as bright as the sun, join my cause!
Launch attack. Okay.
Even the smallest existence can burn with the fury of a sun. One for the battles ahead.
Level 4. Enemy invading jungle.
Walking a path of senseless destruction will only lead to ruin.
An ally has slain the turtle.
From the darkness, my light was reborn.